What's up, family? It's Misty, and today I would like to introduce you guys to my okra plant. Her name is Lola. She was initially planted in the ground, but I had to transfer her because she wasn't doing so well. I have this very thick clay soil, and I didn't get time to amend it good enough, so I had to hurry up and transfer her into this pot to try to save her and get some fruit off of it. I was very successful in doing that. I transferred her. She struggled a little bit. I had to prune her back a little bit, meaning cut off the leaves that were struggling. And just like nature always does, if you have that healthy stem, it'll give it enough light and give it enough love, and it'll produce leaves again, and it'll eventually produce fruit for you. I normally don't get more than 2 or 3 okra plants off of here a day. Okra grows fairly fast. You can come out here one day and it'll be this small size right here, and the next day is this size. And you really want to harvest them when they're like between that 3 and 5 inch mark, because okra tends to get really tough and like really stringy. So you want to harvest okra when it's at its most tender and its softest, and it's more beneficial to your taste buds, because like I said, I don't really care for okra, but I'm going to grow it and I'm going to eat it because it's healthy. And just for the overall experience of okra itself, you want to harvest it at the best time so you can get the best taste out of the vegetable or fruit that you're growing. Like I said, this is Lola. She is a beautiful okra plant. I was at my mother's house about a week ago, and Mr. Joe, her hubby, he has several okra plants, and they are extremely tall, thick, and healthy. And I one day hope to grow my okra plants to that stage. But right now, I'm just still at the beginner stage, but I am very happy with my progress. I'm going to harvest this one right here, and by tomorrow, these two will be ready, and in a couple days, these little pods right here will blossom into pretty beautiful flowers, and then they'll die off and more okra will grow. I was told that these will produce up until the first frost. Our first frost is October the 17th. So hopefully I'll be able to get a lot more okra so I can freeze it and eat more before the plant eventually stops producing. If you like my video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, give me a comment, any tips that you may have, and thank you so much for watching.